You're Ecuadorian, Colombian, and Peruvian. You gotta know.
Peruvian.
All right, ready? 1, 2, 4, 5,
7,
8.
Oh,
yes.
oh my God.
He laughs. He goes,
Oh no.
like it's at 10, stupid. All right, come on, you have to wait. Let the Yo, pros you handle
was
this.
10.
Let the pros handle this.
Why is he just losing?
Oh no, let's do it in
Oh,
Italian.
No.
This
I'm gonna go up to 1. I'm like,
Ready, go. 1,
2,
4,
5,
7,
8,
10,
11,
12,
14,
15,
17,
18,
20,
21, 22, 24,
25,
27,
28.
No, you're not.
39. 39.
Oh my gosh, you savage Amblet.
I should go fucking that savage, man.
1, 2. Don't finish that sentence. 5.
You just skipped 4.
4.
5, 7,
8, 10,
11,
12, 14, 14.
Ah, my ears.
No, I said 15.
Oh,
17,
18, 20,
21,
22, 24,
Shit, my chin.
25, 27,
28.
Nigga, we have 27, 28, 29,
30, 30.
No, sorry, I'm gonna say 30. 40. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, I said 40.
No, you were at 27. I mean at 28. And then it was, I mean not 28, 30, not 38. And I was at 39 and then 40.
That's what he just said.
No, but he said 40 when he was at 38. You would
No, how? Look, what number? You clapped for 29, right?
Yes.
30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38.
Oh.
39, 40.
Exactly, but you weren't at 40 yet. You stupid. You basic. You basic. Mike is so wired.
Hiya! What? I wish you would. I wish you would. I wish you would.
It's hot in here.
I can't do that. Big ass head, damn. Hardy's. Ooh! Ooh! I'm not buying any.
Ty's kitchen, what are you doing?
Guys, hold on. I'm trying to add you.
Why'd she tickles my neck? Oh,
Wait, does it when the request? It's like the people that
Justin, your corny is over. But did you get it?
I want to fall.
She gets my neck.
Nah. Oh yeah.
And the request is on top is the people that you follow, right?
Yeah. What is this, soap? Pause. Ushy gushy my pussy. He wanna take him and looky. That's you did it wrong, Justin. Ushy gushy my pussy. He wanna take him and looky.
That's what Justin looked like.
Ushy gushy my pussy.
Okay, let's play another game. Let's play
Let's play Bloody
Tai
Mary.
says.
Alright, buddy, what's up?
Tai says, put one hand. Put your hand on the nearest shoulder that's not yours. You gotta fucking know. Okay. Okay. Tai says, put one leg in the air. Tai says, now jump and sink. Tai says, put both legs in the air.
Alright, you just try to do it.
Okay.
People don't see, bro.
No, time says it's pretty boring. Because what the fuck can you do? Alright, what game are we playing?
I don't know. Now, it's like the nothing Thais says, but you was trying to make me fucking feel like an acrobat.
Okay, Thais says, bend your finger is back.
What? Nah.
No, back.
Actually,
Back is
actually.
Ew, that's fucking disgusting. Look at Mike's thumb.
Put it in the camera.
That's how far back in the pussy.
This is how, I don't know. Why is their thumbs so weird? They look like fucking like hooks.
I don't thought of. Oh, yeah, you got it.
Anyways.
Come on, Tai.
Okay.
Alright, come on, one more game.
Buy my chicken nuggets.
One more game before we go.
Okay.
Hang up. One more game before we go.
Wait, what game? Oh,
Thais says.
Okay. Thais says, close your eyes. Thais says, trust me, don't open your eyes.
Chill out. Chill out, bro.
Thais says,
Chill out, bro.
I got trust issues, bro.
Thais
I
says,
got trust issues.
Chill out, cuz.
Thais says, don't open your eyes and trust me.
Who the fuck is touching?
Thais says, don't move and show your face.
My face in there. Who the fuck is? Yo!
They trusted me. You see, I didn't do anything.
Alright, peace out, y'all. We're going out with some friends. And we'll see